This project demonstrates what we can accomplish when we bring together Kenyan organizations, county-level governments, the U.S. private sector, U.S. government programs, philanthropists, and community leaders. It is really the power of many. What we can do together, none of us can do alone. And I think it's so important to remember that we have to work together for a common purpose. And the old, everyone knows this quote, if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. And this is a very good reminder. If you want to go far, you go together. Now, access to quality health care is a foundation for a strong and thriving community. At the U.S. Embassy, we're proud to work with Kenyan leaders who are prioritizing the health of Kenyans. The success of this hospital is made possible by the amazing doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals who work every day to provide excellent quality care to patients. The directors here have also created a model for training future healthcare leaders. I heard earlier today that the college has achieved a 100% pass rate on the Kenyan Nursing Council exam, which is an amazing achievement.
Ambassador, this was the capital of Siaya, this little town. And the national government decided at that time that we go to Siaya. So nobody ever thought that something will come out of this community. And now probably the best institution. And we're going to ask all our people in the health sector to come here and see how you do a proper theater. And that proper theater is here in Okwala, not in Siaya or in Nairobi. I want to thank you, Gail, and the FIGS directors for what you have done. It's so wonderful. And I cannot, express our gratitude for bringing all this here. And I know this town, Okwala, will grow because of Matibabu. It will become a city because of Matibabu.